Every crafter dreams of keeping their tools safe while staying organized, and the * Best double-layer carrying case with matte pocket * makes that dream a reality. Imagine carrying your machines and accessories effortlessly, knowing everything has its place and is protected from damage. This case turns stress into calm, letting creativity flow freely wherever inspiration strikes. For anyone who values convenience, security, and smooth workflow, this carrying case becomes more than storage. It becomes a trusted companion that makes every project easier, more enjoyable, and truly satisfying. Number 1. AMOIGEE Padded Dust Cover Compatible. AMOIGEE Padded Dust Cover compatible with Cricut Maker 4 Explore 4 Maker 3 Explore 3 Explore Air 2 Machine Cover for Cricut accessories and suppliers. Tools. Pink brings a sense of care and protection to every crafting space. Keeping machines safe from dust and damage allows creativity to flow freely, making every project feel effortless and enjoyable. The soft pink design adds a touch of warmth and personality, creating a calming environment that inspires focus and comfort. Organized storage for accessories and tools helps crafters feel in control and prepared, reducing stress during busy crafting sessions. People who value their machines and supplies often seek solutions that combine safety, style, and convenience, and this cover delivers all three. Whether working at home, attending workshops, or storing machines between projects, AMOIGEE Padded Dust Cover ensures everything stays clean, accessible, and ready to use. Every moment spent crafting becomes more peaceful, productive, and satisfying, turning ordinary hours into inspiring, calm, and creative experiences. Number 2. AMOIGEE Dust Cover for Cricut Maker 4. AMOIGEE Dust Cover for Cricut Maker 4 Explore Air 2 Maker 3 Maker Cover with pockets for Cricut accessories, supplies, and tools brings peace of mind and organization to every crafting space. Protecting machines from dust, spills, and accidental scratches allows creativity to flow freely, making each project feel smoother and more enjoyable. Thoughtfully designed pockets keep accessories and supplies within reach, helping crafters stay focused and organized while reducing stress during busy crafting sessions. People who value their tools often look for solutions that combine safety, convenience, and efficiency, and this cover meets all those needs. Whether creating at home, attending workshops, or storing machines between projects, AMOIGEE Dust Cover ensures everything remains protected, accessible, and ready to use. Every moment spent crafting feels more comfortable, productive, and calm. This dust cover transforms ordinary crafting hours into satisfying, inspiring, and worry-free experiences, giving confidence and joy to every creative journey. Number 3. NICOGENA Double-Layer Carrying Case with Matte Pocket. NICOGENA Double-Layer Carrying Case with Matte Pocket for Cricut Maker 4 Explore 4 Multi-Large Front Compartments for Tools, Accessories, and Supplies. Gray brings convenience and peace of mind to every crafting moment. Every project feels lighter when machines, mats, and tools are protected and neatly organized, allowing creativity to flow freely. Quiet mornings, busy afternoons, and spontaneous crafting sessions become more enjoyable because everything has its place and is easy to access. Large front compartments keep accessories within reach, helping crafters stay focused, calm, and confident while reducing stress. People who value their machines and supplies often seek solutions that combine organization, safety, and ease, and this carrying case meets those needs effortlessly. Whether traveling to workshops, visiting friends, or storing machines at home, NICOGENA Double-Layer Carrying Case ensures everything stays secure and ready to use. Every crafting session transforms into a smooth, satisfying, and inspiring experience, turning ordinary hours into moments of joy, confidence, and creativity. Number 4. HOMEST Double-Layer Carrying Case with Matte Pocket. HOMEST Double-Layer Carrying Case with Matte Pocket for Cricut Maker 4 Explore 4 Multi-Front Pockets for Accessories and Supplies. Gray brings calm and convenience to every crafting session. Keeping machines, mats, and tools secure allows creativity to flow freely without interruptions or stress. Organized compartments help crafters feel confident, making every project feel smoother and more enjoyable. Quiet mornings and busy afternoons become more productive when supplies are easy to access and everything has its place. People who value their machines often look for solutions that combine protection, order, and simplicity, and this carrying case delivers all three effortlessly. Large front pockets keep essential tools and accessories within reach, while double layers provide extra security and peace of mind. Whether transporting to workshops, visiting friends, or storing machines at home, HOMEST double-layer carrying case ensures everything remains ready to use. Every crafting moment transforms into a calm, inspiring, and satisfying experience, turning ordinary hours into joyful, organized, and productive creative sessions. Number 5. Imagining Carrying Case Bag for Cricut Maker 4. Imagining Carrying Case Bag for Cricut Maker 4. Maker 3 Explore 4 Explore 3 Explore Air 2 Large opening storage for Cricut accessories and suppliers brings ease and confidence to every crafting session. Keeping machines and supplies secure allows creativity to flow freely, making each project feel effortless and enjoyable. Large openings and organized compartments make access simple, turning setup into a smooth, stress-free experience. People who value their tools often seek solutions that combine safety, convenience, and efficiency, and this carrying case delivers all three. Whether moving between home, workshops, or friends' houses, carrying essentials feels natural and effortless. This case provides peace of mind while keeping everything protected and ready to use, allowing crafters to focus on ideas instead of setup or clutter. Imagining Carrying Case Bag transforms ordinary crafting moments into inspiring, organized, and fulfilling experiences. Every session becomes calm, enjoyable, and productive, letting creativity take center stage in a relaxed and confident environment.